Today, we're taking a closer look at a classic metal dog muzzle. Let's see what comes inside the box. Here it is, sturdy, lightweight, and designed for everyday use with medium to large breeds. One of the biggest advantages of a metal basket muzzle is ventilation. Your dog can pant freely, which is especially important on hot days or during walks. Another plus? Dogs can still drink water or take small treats through the muzzle. It's also very durable. The metal frame won't tear or lose shape, making it reliable for strong dogs. And if your pet needs to wear it for longer periods, this design is usually more comfortable and safer than fabric styles. Of course, there are a few drawbacks. A metal muzzle is heavier compared to polyester or fabric ones. In summer, it may heat up in the sun, and in winter, feel cold to the touch. Also, some people find it looks more intimidating than a soft fabric muzzle. Here's how it looks on our golden retriever. The fit is snug but not too tight. Your dog should still be able to open its mouth comfortably. Notice how natural it looks during walking. For active or strong dogs, a basket-style muzzle like this one gives peace of mind while keeping your pet comfortable. So if you're searching for a safe, breathable, and durable option, a metal muzzle could be the right choice for your dog.